Welcome to a new episode of Swedish Countryside. In this episode I will remove a tree stump using fire. I began by using a shovel and start digging around the stump. I removed the dirt and other material around the stump in order to expose the roots more properly. After that, I decided to cut the stump in half. So I cut the stump in half, and after that I cut a channel from above down into the stump and channel from the side. This is done in order to create more draft while we are burning the stump.
Now we let it dry for a couple of months. There's no point of starting a fire now. It's better to let it dry out. I would put a tarp over this.
After several months, thought it was time to start burning the stump. So I put some tinder inside the channel and I drenched it in lighter fluid. I put back the top pieces onto the bottom piece. I do this to create a longer smoke channel. I do that so it will increase the draft and pull more oxygen into the fire. You will see that later on in the video, and you will see how the fire is poking through and burns quite efficiently through the stump. As you can see, the fire is starting to creep down into the stump, and the fire is coming along nicely. Once in a while I add a piece of drier firewood in order to increase the heat. Well, the burning isn't done in one day, so I have to continue another day. So as you can see, the fire has been eating away at the stump pretty good, but it's still a lot of the stump left. So I decided to do another burn. Before I start burning, I will do some more cuts. At the time for our second fire, we've had some snow, and that's good if you look at it from a fire safety point of view. And the fire is going pretty well. I've added some bricks alongside the fire in order to reflect back the heat from the fire. So the burning goes on through the day and through the night. The day after, there's not much of a stump left. So then I cover what's left of the stump with dirt. Some time has passed and the grass has grown back over what's left of the stump. It has left a little bit of a lump, so I guess I should have done some more burning to get the ground more even, but it will do for now. It is quite possible that I will do some more work in the future to get the ground more even. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video. Until then, Take care.